Hi guys, today we are going to be discussing communication system level 3 bits. First question, a tuned circuit of an oscillator in a simple AM transmitter employs 250 microhenry coil. That means inductance they have given is 250 microhenry. L value they have given is 250 microhenry and 1 nanofarad condenser. C value is 1 nanofarad. If the oscillator output is modulated by the audio frequency of 10 kHz, they have given that audio frequency, that means message signal frequency they have given is 10 kHz. The frequency occupied by the sidebands. That means in AM, the sidebands are like this, they are going to be forming. This is the upper sideband and this is the lower sideband. The frequencies of the sidebands, this is the carrier signal FC, upper sideband FC plus FM and lower sideband FC minus FM. They have asked these two frequencies they have asked. That means one tuned circuit they have given like this. One tuned circuit they have given like this, and this is L and this is C. The tuned circuit produces the carrier signal frequency, and this carrier signal frequency and message signal frequency are combining. We have to find FC plus FM and FC minus FM. Now what do you know? Omega is equals to 1 by root LC. If it is the LC means LC. Omega means how much? 2 pi F is equals to 1 by root LC. That implies F is equals to FC, that is equals to 2 pi 1 by 2 pi LC. Now FC is equals to 1 by 2 pi into square root of L. L value they have given is 250 micro. 250 into 10 to the power of minus 6, and C is 1 nano. That means 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9. FC is equals to 1 by 2 pi. That means 25 means we are taking 5 and we are getting as 10 to the power of minus 14. 10 to the power of minus 14 means minus 7. We are getting as FC is equals to, now FC is equals to 10 to the power of 6 divided by pi. That means 10 by pi means 3.18 into 10 to the power of 5. Now FC we are getting as 318 into 10 to the power of 3 hertz. That means 318 kilohertz we are getting. Now first thing we have to find as FC plus FM, FC minus FM. Now FC minus FM is equals to 318 minus FM is 10, that is equals to 308 kilohertz, and FC minus FM, FC plus FM now, that is equals to 318 plus 10, that is equals to 328 kilohertz. 308 and 328. 308 and 328. That option is correct. Now second question. A TP tower has a height of 70 meter. If the average population density around the tower is 1000 per kilometer square. Now population covered by the TV tower is, they have given one TV tower. The height they have given is 70 meters. H they have given is 70 meters. The population density around this TV tower, the population density they have given is 1000 per kilometer square. For every kilometer square, the population is 1000. Now we have to find the number of population covered. It is population covered is how much? First of all, how much distance range we have to find for this one, and then population we can get. Number of population is equals to, how can we get density? Number of population is equals to density into area around this area. How much area? Now density means 1000 per kilometer square. In meters means 10 to the power of 6. 1000 per kilometer square. In meters we are getting. Area means how much? Pi This is the distance d means pi d square or pi r square. That means 1 by 10 to the power of 3 into pi value means 3.14, and this distance d, how can we get distance d is equals to, the formula is root of 2 into r into h, root of 2r h whole square. 1 by 10 to the power of 3 into 3.14 into 2 into r. R means radius of the earth, 6400 kilometers means 10 to the power of 3. H means height, that is 70 they have given. Now 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 3 gets cancelled. 2 into 3.14, that means 6.28 into, this is a 0, 0, 0 means 10 to the power of 3 into 64 into 7, 7 fours 28, 7 6 42, 44. If you multiply 6 into 4, 48, we are getting as a 2816 into 10 to the power of 3. That means answer we are getting as 10 to the power of 6, 10 to the power of 3. That means 2.816 into 10 to the power of 6 we are getting. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Now third question. The maximum peak to peak voltage of an AM wave is 16 millivolts and minimum peak to peak voltage is 4 millivolts. Modulation factor we have to find. They have given that maximum peak to peak voltage is 16 millivolts, and minimum peak to peak, minimum peak to peak voltage is 4 millivolts. We have to find the modulation factor. Modulation factor M, formula is how much? A maximum minus A minimum divided by A maximum plus A minimum. That means just we have to substitute the values only. 16 minus 4 divided by 16 plus 4, 12 by 20. That means 4 3s 4 5s, 3 by 5. Otherwise that means 3 by 5 means 0.6. Now fourth problem. AM wave is expressed by, they have given expression is E is equals to 10 into 1 plus 0.6 cos 2000 pi t into cos 2 into 10 to the power of 8 pi t. We have to find the minimum and maximum values of the modulated carrier wave. That means A minimum and A maximum we have to find. First of all, we have to, before finding that A maximum value and A minimum value, first of all we have to compare this equation with E is equals to AC into 1 plus mu cos 2 pi f mt cos 2 pi fct. From here AC value we are getting as 10, AC value we are getting as 10, and mu value is 0.6. Just A maximum and A minimum we have to find now. Now A maximum is equals to, formula is, what is the formula? 1 plus mu into AC, and A minimum is equals to 1 minus mu into AC. Here mu is the modulation factor and AC is the amplitude of the carrier wave. Now 1 plus mu is 0.6 into AC is 10. That means 1.6 into 10 is how much? 16. A minimum 1 minus 0.6 into 10. 0.4 into 10 means 4. A maximum is 16, A minimum is 4. So which option is correct? 16 and 4. Third option is correct. Now fifth question. The audio signal voltage is given by, that means Vm, audio signal given by 2 sin 12 pi into 10 to the power of 3t. We have to find the bandwidth and LSB. Bandwidth we have to find, and lower sideband frequency. LSB means lower sideband frequency we have to find. Bandwidth, if the carrier frequency is, so they have in radians they have given carrier frequency. Now bandwidth means what? Bandwidth means 2 FM. How we are getting this formula? In AM means this is the carrier frequency FC, this is the upper sideband, and this is the lower sideband. Upper sideband frequency is FC plus FM. Lower sideband is FC minus FM. Bandwidth means upper frequency minus lower frequency. Upper frequency is, this is the total frequency, FC plus FM, and lower frequency is FC minus FM, minus FC minus FM. Okay, that means 2 FM we are getting. Bandwidth is 2 FM. Just we have to comparing these two things. Okay, this is from here omega m is equals to 12 into 10 to the power of 3. Omega means what? 2 pi Fm is equals to 12 into 10 to the power of 3. 12 pi, no, they have given is 12 pi. Pi gets cancelled. That means 2 FM we are getting as 12 into 10 to the power of 3 hertz. 2 FM is bandwidth. Now bandwidth is equals to 12 kilohertz. Now another what we have to find, is they have given a carrier frequency, FC they have given. FC is how much? That means radians, no, not FC. Omega C they have given is 3.14 into 10 to the power of 6 radians per second. Now omega means what is the thing? Omega means 2 pi f. 2 pi f is equals to 3.14 into 10 to the power of 6. 3.14 pi gets cancelled. Now fc is equals to 10 to the power of 6 by 2. 1000 by 2 means 500 kilohertz. 500 kilohertz we are getting. Now we have to find the LSB. This is the LSB. LSB means FC minus FM. LSB means FC minus FM. FC is how much? 500. Minus FM is how much? FM is 12 by 2. That means 6. That is equals to 494 kilohertz. Bandwidth is 12 kilohertz and LSB is 494 kilohertz. First option is correct. Now sixth question. In sixth question, they have given the 3 options they have given, and some of the things are correct, all are correct. Which option is the correct? We have to tell. So we have to solve all the problems. A TV transmission tower at a particular station has the height of 160 meters. Okay, now TV transmitter station height they have given is 160 meters they have given. Radius of the earth is, R value they have given is 6400 kilometers. We have to find the range is this much. First of all we have to check range is that much or not. What is the formula for the range? This is the range R, range something D, like that means 2 into R into H, no, range, covering range, how much distance it is going to be covering. Now range R is equals to range D is equals to 2 into R into H, that is equals to 2 into R is how much? 6400 kilometers, no, mean meters 10 to the power of 3, height is 160. That means this is 2, 5, 6, that means 10 to the power of 3 I am taking outside. 64 means 8, 16 means 4 into root 2. Root 2 means 1.414, no, So 10 to the power of 3 into 8 fours 32 into root 2, 1.41. Now after multiplying we are getting as 32 into 1.414. That means we are getting as 45. Just I am going to be multiplying 1.14 into 32. 8 2 2 12 4 3 8 4 6 3 3648. Not this is root 2 means 1.414, sorry, 1.414. If you multiply 32 into 1.414 means we are getting as 45255 meters we are going to be getting. So first option is the correct. Now we have to verify the second option. Height of the tower, already in the question they have given is height is 160. Now the population covers is 77.24 lakhs. If the density, that means around the tower, if the density is 1200, if the density is 1200 per kilometer square means this much of the population is present. Now already we have now only we have discussed means number of population. How can we get population? Density into area. Number of population means density into area. Density is 1200 per kilometer square. That means 10 to the power of 6. Area means pi. If you think this is the distance is d means pi d square. That means pi into d. D means 2rh. D means 2rh. 2rh already we are getting as a now only 2rh value we have got is 45255. Square root of 2rh. Square root of 2rh is otherwise you can calculate pi d square, no, square root of 2rh whole square. Square root gets cancelled. That means 12 divided by 10 to the power of 4. Pi means 3.14 into 2 into r. Radius of the earth 6400 kilometer, 10 to the power of 3 into h is 160. H is 160. Now we are going to be multiplying 12 into 4 48, 12 into 2 16, 12 into 3 36 37 into 128, 64 into 2 128 into 16 divided by this 0 and 10 to the power of 3. 4 gets cancelled into here is 00 is present, 100 is left. Okay, now if you do cancellation, the damn sure I have solved and I have got is 77742 into 10 to the power of 5 I have got. So that means 7742 lakhs of the people are present. So second option is also correct. Now we have to verify the third option. The height of the antenna should be increased by, if we are going to be height of the antenna, if we are going to be increasing, before the height of the antenna is 160 meters. Now we are going to be increasing by 480 meters. That means how much? 540, 640 meters. If the height of the antenna is 640 meters, now the range becomes the double. We have to range becomes the double means that means around 45,000, no, 90,000 we have to got. Okay, now just we have to verify. Range R is equals to 2RH. We are getting as a double the range, no? We have to verify. That means 90,000 we are getting or not. Square root of 2 into R. R value is 6,400 kilometer means 10 to the power of 3. Height is 640. Now we are going to be solving. Range R is equals to 64 means 8. 64 means 8. Now 5 of 6, 10 to the power of 6 means we are getting as 10 to the power of 3. Root 2. Now root 2. That means 64 into 10 to the power of 3 into root 2 means 1.414. Just we have to multiply the thing. 1414 into 64. 6 4 4 16, 4 1s 5, 56, 6 4s 24, 6 1 6 84. Now 6 9 14 10 9. That means 90496. That means approximately double we have got. Before this 945 we have got is 45255. This is around the double. So this is also correct. So all the three options are correct. It means 1, 2, 3. Fourth option is correct. Now look the seventh question. They have given a tuned circuit of the oscillator in a simple AM transmitter employs, and also again they have given one tuned circuit, and again they have given one tuned circuit. Tuned circuit means which is used for generating the FC carrier frequency tuned circuit, and L value they have given is how much? 40 microhenry, and another one is 12 nanofarad. 40 microhenry and 12 nanofarad. 12 nanofarad capacitance they have given is 12 nanofarad. And we are going to be this carrier frequency we are going to be combining with audio frequency. Audio frequency means FM. Audio frequency of 5 kilohertz. Audio frequency FM how much they are given is 5 kilohertz. Now which of the following frequencies will not present? That means they have given some of the frequencies, which of them is not present. They are combining with audio frequency. No, in general what do you know? This is the carrier frequency, this is the upper side band, and this is the lower side band. It means FC plus FM. This is FC minus FM. Only three frequencies are present. Okay, for this one which of the options is not present? No, just first of all we find the FC value. How can we get the FC value? FC means this is the LC circuit. No, 1 by 2 pi root LC. Okay, now 1 by 2 pi root LC. This is going to be generating the carrier frequency. That carrier frequency FC is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. Just we have to substitute the values. 1 by 2 pi means 3.14 into root LC. L is 40 micro, 40 into 10 to the power of minus 6, and 12 nano, 12 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay, now if after solving we are getting as FC, we are getting as 230 kilohertz. 230 kilohertz we are getting. Now we have got FC is how much? FC we have got is 230 kilohertz. Now FC plus FM. FM is 5 kilohertz. 230 plus 5 means 235. And FC minus FM. 230 minus 5 means how much? 225 kilohertz. That means 225, 230, 235 is present. 225 correct. 230 correct. 235 is correct. Which option is not present? 240 is not present. Second option is wrong. A 400 watt carrier is modulated to a depth of 80%. Carrier power, how much they have given is 400 watt. PC is 400 watt. And modulation depth of the modulation, that means modulation index they have given is 80%. 80 by 100 means 0.8 they have given. And total power we have to find. What is the formula? PT is equals to PC into 1 plus mu square by 2 or m square by 2. PC is 400 into 1 plus m or mu is both are correct. That means m is 0.8 whole square by 2. 400 into 1 plus 8 8 is 64, 0.64 by 2, 0.32. 400 into 1.32. 132 into 4 means how much? 8, 12, 5. 528 watts. Total power is 528 watts. Now 9th question. A 1000 kilohertz carrier is simultaneously modulated with carrier frequency is 1000 kilo. FC how much they have given is 1000 kilohertz. Is simultaneously modulated with three signals FM1, FM2, FM3. FM1 how much they have given? 300 hertz. 300 hertz means 0.3 kilohertz, and FM2 they have given is 800 hertz. It means FM2 is equals to 0.8 kilohertz, and FM3 they have given is 1 kilohertz they have given directly. What will be the frequencies present in the output? What are the frequencies that are present in the output? We have to find. That means what are the frequencies are present? One is in the output, FC is present, FC plus FM is present, FC minus FM is present. So just we have to verify. First one, FC plus FM and FC minus FM. Sorry. FC plus FM1 how much? 1000 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 how much? 999.7.